Chelsea! Chelsea! Miss ka pala, ha? Chelsea, come on! B.
Mexico!
Talaga! Malamang! Of course, you're in your country. What the heck? Of course, you don't want to get embarrassed. Because you're in your territory. Of course! Sige! Samantalahin nyo! Kaloka! Come on, Chelsea!
The
Chelsea!
third delegate to advance is
Come on!
Venezuela!
Talaga ulit? Ano ba yan? Puro mga taga-Spanya. May puro mga Spanish language. Luto na naman to, punyemas. Puro mga kaparehas nila ng salita. Don't be cooking show, ha? I'm telling you. Your audience gonna go down if you, don't call Philippines. Ha? Puro sila. Oh my God, see, live in Mexico for 4 years. Malamang. Come on.
Heading to evening gown is Puerto Rico!
Bakit ganon? This is a cooking show. No way, highway. This is all Spanish language people. Why? Make it fair. What the heck? Puro mga Latina. Ano to? Kakaloka kayo. Dapat kayo na lang nag-Miss Universe. Hindi nyo na kami sinali.
Advancing to the next round. Nigeria!
La! Sige, magpasok tayo ng ibang para hindi halata na puro kayo Latina dyan. Michael Cinco, anong ginagawa mo? Make it ano ba yan? Ako natutuwa. Papasukin nyo.
Only half the spots remain. The next selection is
Mawawala viewers nyo.
Russia!
Malamang nakapasabugan kayo ni Putin. Come on! Ba yan? Nakakainis.
Next delegate heading to the next round is
Philippines!
Chile!
Ha? Oh my God! Come on, Chelsea! Mawawala talaga audience nito Miss Universe na to eh. I am telling you, your audience gonna go down if you don't call Miss Philippines. She deserves this.
Goes to
She deserves this. She's really good.
Thailand!
Talaga ba? Ipasok mo ngayon yung Philippines, ha? Ipasok mo ngayon. Pinasok mo yan, ipasok yung Philippines. Put the Philippines. Put Philippines after her. Ipasok mo ngayon. Hindi pwedeng walang kalaban to. Ipasok niyo yan. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, mawawala viewers nyo.
Taking the next step towards the crown is
Philippines, ipasok nyo. Sinasabi ko na. Tangina. Tangina. Kailangan nyo marinig kung paano magsalita si Chelsea. Ipasok nyo. You need to see her costume. Ipasok nyo.
2 spots left.
Ang ina, dalawa na
One
lang.
of them goes to
Ipasok nyo.
Canada.
Tangin na, isa na lang. Mawawala yung viewers nyo. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, mawawala.
And this is it. The final spot in the top
Come
12.
on!
The last woman
Come on.
advancing is
Come on!
Hannah.
Tangina, bye! Okay, bye! Bye! Wala na tayong pag-asa. Okay, bye! Big walk! Wala viewers nyo ngayon.
Congratulations to our top 12.
Let's see what Doreen Capriona has to say. Oh wow, what an incredible hustle. What a hard clap from 30 to 12. Doreen, how are you feeling?
Oh my gosh, like this crowd, the energy in here is electric.
Medyo malungkot si Catriona, oh.
Performance from Israel.
You can tell, ah.
We're still to come.
Medyo ano,
See you in the rest competition.
We'll be right back.
medyo malungkot siya, oh. Ha?